fucking wet. Hi, it's raining outside. Here are my top 10 things to do when it's wet. Off we go. Number 10. Turn on computer. It's difficult trying to get. Damn it. There we go. Bloody thing. You press the on button. Yes! It's on. Put that back. Number 9. Look at play games on phone. Ball game. Cool game. Is it? Ball game, yeah. Challenge. Just let's try and get 4 hoops in. So I don't know if you can see this. Oh damn it! Missed. Damn it! For God's sake. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Another one. Oh, this is gonna take a while. I've got 2, right? 2 in. Oh, for goodness sake! I need to get to the number 8 or whatever. Yes! Alright, so that's 4, I think. And just get the 5th one. Oh, flip! Come on! That's it! Alright. Number 8. What's next? Makes an egg. Egg. It's gonna take a while. Can you even see that? It's tasty again. Ah, like nice. Ow! Yeah! It's the steam service. Next bit, let's go. Oh, I need. Nice. So hopefully you stay up. Let me probably still meet in the mirror. Oh God. Alright. On number 7, I think. Wait. My lunch. Tastes nice. Now we need a drink. Back in steak.
2,000 years later.
Number 6, play guitar. Oh god. Oh, what? I'll probably just overlay it with some good song. Probably still got some complete phase. Number 5, tour of my room. Here we go. We've got my bed, we've got iPad, we've got all kinds of stuff. Bed, we've got a thing here with a bonsai tree. Bonsai tree, how crazy is that? Bonsai, this is 9 minutes! Bonsai tree, next is some deodorant and stuff. Look, another tripod, 2 tripods, wow! We've got a wallet and we've got Windows 7, yeah, we've got a bunch of DVDs, yeah, we've got Pulp Fiction, we've got Anchorman, good movies, hold on, nice. We've got a chair, we've got 2 PCs there, how crazy is that? We've got 2 computers, no, we've got 1 computer and it's got two monitors. There's a cup, there's a seat, there's a McVitie's sweet little plush toy thingy, there's a Kex bag down there if you can see it. There's a bunch of things on my bed, and that's it. That's the end of my room. There's a bunch of cool things. Number 4, water of the bonsai tree. Can you see that? If you want your bonsai tree to grow, you gotta feed it. Oh, I'm stalling! Deodorant burn. Whatever. Let's get a deodorant can and start. Ah! Ah! That hurts! Next one, number 3, I think. Number 2, number 3, number 3. Oh, that really hurt actually. Number 3, do some weights. I never even use these. Oh yeah, ooh, hey. God, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Number 2. I don't know what. Tetris cube. This can never be complete because somebody switched around all the colours, so yeah, we can never. But I did get 5 oranges on one side. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, look, 5 got blues on one side as well. Wow, pretty good. Number 1. We've got 1 left. Go outside barefoot. Let's go. Some guy. And that was 10 weird, stupid things you can do when it's raining. It's not even raining! God's sake, I didn't even have to do those things. Alright, see you next one.